What's going on, kiddos? In this video, I'm going to work out the practice problems that I assigned to you on Canvas. This one is going to be over the basic counting problems, and that's what I'm going to be working on here. So I'm just going to go down the list 1 through 11, starting with number 1, going all the way down. So number 1 says a planning committee consists of 3 freshmen, 4 sophomores, 5 juniors, and 2 seniors. If a subcommittee of 4 students consisting of 1 person from each class, how many different subcommittees are possible? Alright, so here we're not really calculating any probability, we're just looking at total number of possibilities. So number 1, boom. So it tells us that we have 3 freshmen, 4 sophomores, 5 juniors, and 2 seniors. Alright, now that I have that written down, so here we're looking for the total number of possibilities that can be made from a subcommittee of 4 if there's 1 person from each class chosen. So basically we got 4 slots, 4 different experiments, you can think of it, 1 for each class. And so here I'll just start with freshmen, sophomore, juniors, then seniors. So for the freshman class, there are 3 possible choices. For the sophomore class, there are 4 possible choices. Junior class, there are 5 possible choices. And the senior class, there are 2 possible choices. So for our subcommittee of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, one containing 1 from each class, sorry. The total number of outcomes would be 3 times 4 times 5 times 2, which gives us a total of, punches into your calculator, 120 different possibilities. Boom. So there is number 1. Number 2 says how many different 7-place license plates are possible if the first 3 places are letters and the final 4 are numbers. And it tells us that letters and numbers can be repeated. So here in number 2, we're doing a 7-place license plate. Ooh. So we're going to have 7 things that we're multiplying together. It tells us that the first 3 are letters, and that the final 4 are numbers. So here, our total number of possibilities. So for our first 3 slots, we're going to do 1 times 2. So those are our first 3 places, and so those first 3 are going to be letters, and there are 26 letters in the alphabet. It's going to be 26 times 26 times 26. And then for the final 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are going to be numbers, and that tells the numbers range from 0 to 9. So if you count that, that is actually 10 places because we're counting 0 in there. And each of them can be repeated. So here we have 10 possible outcomes, 10 possible outcomes, 10 possible outcomes, and another 10. And so our total number of possible outcomes is going to be 26 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which gives us a total number of, punch into your calculator, it's real big, 175,760,000 thousand. Total possibilities. Bam. All right. So that's number 2. Number 3 is pretty much the same question, but now it's telling us that the letters and numbers cannot be repeated. So here, let me get my paper all situated. All right, so number 3. All right, so number 3 is the same question. 7 place license plate. Again, first 3 are letters, the final 4 are numbers, but this time they cannot be repeated. So here we have n equals, so first place we have 26 choices because 26 different letters, times, since they can't be repeated, our second spot is now going to be 25. Third one's going to be 24, because if we pick 1 here, then we only have 25 left to choose from here, and then if we've already picked 2, then we only have 24 left to choose from for our third place. And then the numbers, 0 through 9 again, except this time we'll start off with 10. And then our next choice, we'll only have 9 numbers to choose from. Our third place will only have 8 numbers to choose from. And then last but not least, we'll only have 7 numbers left to choose from. And so this time around, the total number of possibilities is going to be 26 times 25 times 24 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, which gives us a total number of, punch it into your calculator, it's a big number, not as big as last time, 78,624. Or sorry, 78,624,000. Sorry, numbers are hard. Boom, box it. There we go. There is problems 1, 2, and 3.